I'm Heidi Hewitt here with Karen Mason. We're talking about hatches in AutoCAD 2011. Now, when I've been training AutoCAD 2011 and showing some of the hatch functionality, and one of the things that I've been pointing out to students is if you select a hatch object, you see that innocent-looking grip right in the middle of it. Can you explain a little bit about that?
So with associative hatches, they always just had the one single grip. Now, even with the non-associative hatches, they've got that one grip in the center. And the default functionality is the same as it's always been, but there's a few extra actions that if you hover your cursor over the grip, you'll see that there's options for changing the hatch's angle, scale, or its origin point.
So, and that grip is displayed, what is it, at the middle of the boundary of the hatch? Just as
right, yeah, exactly.
Okay.
It's exactly in the middle, the sort of like the centroid of the boundary.
Yeah. And it's a round blue. By default, it's always blue, right?
Yeah, it's just the same color as your rectangular grips. We just made it circular so that it stood out, so that you know that it had different functionality.
Okay, and then by hovering, you're not clicking on it, you're just passing the cursor over it, and it displays that menu.
Mm-hmm. Right, just like our polyline grip editing, so that you can now pick which option you want. And it's been really probably the most favorite feature of the hatch. Being able to change the hatch's scale or angle right on the hatch is really easy to do.
You know, one of the things that I really like about that trial and error that we see people doing all the time with hatch scaling, but by doing that, by picking the scale option from the direct manipulation, try to say that 3 times fast, you can just scale, like you said, up and down, and at least, even if you want an exact scale, you can enter that, right? You can give it an exact scale, but at least this way, visually, you're seeing something that's approximate, that's getting you in the ballpark so that you're not continually typing in values that maybe aren't even close to what you need.
That's right. Yeah, I like that too, that you can just pick the option, move your cursor a little bit, see that, yeah, this is kind of what you want, but you don't want to put in a angle of 32.5, but you wanted 40.
And at least you see that it's close.
Exactly, yeah.
Great. Yeah, I love that functionality. Great improvement. Thank you.